If thy soul check thee that I come so near, swear to thy blind soul that I was thy will, and will thy soul knows is admitted there. Thus far for love my love should sweet fulfill. Will fulfill the treasure of thy love. I fill it full with wills and my will one. In things of great receipt with ease we prove. Among a number one is reckoned none. Then in the number let me pass untold. Though in thy store's account I one must be, for nothing hold me, so it please thee hold. That nothing me, as something sweet to thee, make but my name thy love, and love that still. And then thou lovest me, for my name is will.